Are you suffering from a herniated disc? Today, we introduce a simple acupuncture self-treatment method that you can do at home. Try this method to alleviate back pain and make your daily life more comfortable. Hello, this is Sky from Self-Treatment TV. I'm here today for your healthy life. Before we begin, please subscribe and like our channel. Your interest gives us great strength. A herniated disc is a condition where the disc between the vertebrae protrudes and compresses surrounding nerves. This can cause back pain, leg numbness, and walking difficulties. In severe cases, surgery may be necessary, but in early stages, it can be improved with conservative treatment. Acupuncture is one of the effective methods for herniated discs, helping to reduce pain and improve function. Now I'll explain the perspective of the 5 elements and 6 ki in Korean medicine. In Korean medicine, herniated discs are viewed as a dysfunction of the kidneys and bladder from the 5 elements perspective. The kidneys are responsible for water energy and govern bones and spine. The bladder, paired with the kidneys, regulates body fluid metabolism. When these 2 organs weaken, problems can occur in the back and legs. From the 6 ki perspective, it's seen as cold and damp pathogens invading the meridians, disrupting the circulation of ki and blood. This causes muscle stiffness and pain. According to the principle of mutual generation and restriction in the 5 elements, strengthening kidney and bladder functions and removing cold and damp pathogens is key to treatment. It's also important to regulate liver and gallbladder energy to increase muscle and ligament flexibility. This Korean medicine approach not only alleviates symptoms, but also helps prevent recurrence through fundamental constitution improvement. Today's treatment method uses the kidney meridian. The kidney meridian is an important meridian that regulates back and leg functions. Since weak kidney energy can cause problems in the back and legs, we stimulate the kidney meridian to strengthen kidney function and promote ki and blood circulation. This can alleviate pain and discomfort caused by disc problems. Now, I'll introduce our channel's acupuncture method, specifically the SAM acupuncture method using a ballpoint pen for self-treatment. The treatment method is at the end of this video, so please watch until the end. When treating, treat the opposite side of the usual discomfort or pain. If you're unsure, it's fine to treat both sides. Try this for 1 to 2 weeks continuously. You'll really see the effects. If you feel uncomfortable after treatment or the discomfort persists, reversing the method will restore you to your original state. So don't worry in advance. We're introducing 4 acupoints for treatment, but if circumstances don't allow or you feel hesitant, treating just the first 2 points is also effective. Our channel strives for your healthy life, so please continue to show interest and love. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and set notifications. We support your health. Thank you. Press the ballpoint pen gently on the point in the picture. Tilt the tip of the ballpoint pen about 45 degrees toward the head. 1, 2, and 3 are 1 set. Turn the tip of the ballpoint pen clockwise 9 sets. You have done for this point treatment. Press the ballpoint pen gently on the point in the picture. Tilt the tip of the ballpoint pen about 45 degrees toward the nail. 1, 2, and 3 are 1 set. Turn the tip of the ballpoint pen clockwise 9 sets. You have done for this point treatment. Press the tip of the ballpoint pen gently on the point in the picture. Tilt the tip of the ballpoint pen about 45 degrees toward the toenail. 1 and 2 are 1 set. Turn the tip of the ballpoint pen counter clockwise 8 sets. You have done for this point treatment. Press the tip of the ballpoint pen gently on the point in the picture. Tilt the tip of the ballpoint pen about 45 degrees toward the toenail. 1 and 2 are 1 set. Turn the tip of the ballpoint pen counter clockwise 8 sets. You have done for this point treatment.